Hey there, it's Kelly from paperbeadrollers.com, and today I did something that I have been wanting to do for a really long time. So I've always heard people say that you could go to the paint store and ask them for their old wallpaper books to make paper beads out of, and I've never done it, and today I finally did it, and look what I got. They gave me dozens of wallpaper books. You can tell they haven't cleaned out their shelves for quite a while. So I was pretty excited about this. All of these were expired, some of them by a year even. The manager of the store said that she doesn't like to throw them away. She likes to find somebody who can use them. So she was thrilled. She even took my phone number for when she cleans out the next batch, because there'll be some more expiring in the next couple of months. So I'm pretty excited about this. Let's take some of these inside and we'll make some wallpaper paper beads. Let's go.
I'm announcing a special gift for my monthly pattern paper subscribers coming on March 1st, 2022. Watch through the end of the video for details. These wallpaper sample books are usually held together with rivets. Now there's a couple of videos out there where people show some methods for taking the rivets out. Sometimes they use channel locks or they cut out the rivets. I decided that I'm going to go ahead and store the samples in the books and just use a box cutter to cut them out when needed. These books are like built-in storage. It's going to keep the wallpaper organized and protected. So it's very easy to get these pieces out. All you need to do is run the box cutter deep into the seam and pull down and try to keep even pressure all the way. It gives you a nice clean cut if you're careful. Plus, if you think about it, the part where the rivets are is going to have holes in it, which isn't really good for making paper beads. So I think this is a great solution. Now I like this piece here. It's got great texture and contrasting colors. The samples in this particular book have this fabric feel, so it's very flexible and it might be a little more difficult to roll, but we'll see. I'm going to cut out my strips like I would any other paper. I'll turn it over to the back and mark my cut lines. Because the paper is longer than my ruler, I'm going to place the mark at the top, the middle, and the bottom of the page. That will give me a guide for my ruler to ensure I'm cutting a straight line all the way down. I'm going to cut a straight strip to do a barrel bead and a triangle strip as well. Just going to cut it with my scissors and we'll be ready to roll. Wallpaper is thicker than regular paper or cardstock, and you may remember me talking in previous tutorials about how thicker paper needs more glue and more drying time before you can let it go. Now wallpaper is even more so. It's meant to hang straight and not curl or bend, even though it's flexible. So by rolling it like this, you're asking it to do something it doesn't want to do. Be patient and make sure that the glue is solid before you let go of the end. Now you can also hold it with a chip clip or something like that if you don't want to wait for it to dry. I've rolled a few beads from different papers for you to see. I'm gonna like working with this wallpaper. The beads are thick and chunky and there's so many different patterns. I'm just gonna have so much fun with this. Now that you've seen the luck I had, stop by your local paint store and see if they have any expired wallpaper books for you to play with.
All of this wallpaper makes me want to share. So if you are subscribed to the monthly pattern paper subscription on March 1st, 2022, in your package that goes out that day, you are going to receive free wallpaper samples. Free! It's a free gift to you because I appreciate you being a member of the subscription. Now here's a sneak peek at the paper being released on March 1st. It's inspired by April showers. It's got these colorful umbrellas, big blue raindrops, makes beautifully gorgeous paper beads. This will be in your March 1st package along with your wallpaper sample. Now, if you subscribe before March 1st, you'll get February's design mailed to you instantly. This is the green circles and waves paper. And I love this one particularly on barrel beads because it makes some really funky patterns you can play around with. Now, the benefit of being a part of the subscription is that you get a 10-pack of paper made specifically for making paper beads every month, mailed to you automatically at a 20% discount. So it gives you something to look forward to. Now, there's no obligation. You can cancel anytime. So check out the link in the description below to get all of the details and sign up for the monthly pattern paper subscription. Happy rolling!